Hello friends, I am Dr. Manjusha Ganla. In my last 4 videos of yoga exercises, I had spoken about benefits of yoga and exercise on our body and mind. So when it's fitness or wellness, what we think about first is exercise. So it's just like a thought that we don't find happiness, we have to create it. So only positive thinking doesn't help. Need to be in positive action that will bring us motivation for our wellness and fitness. In today's time, when everything is possible by just clicking a button on the computers or by just the screen touch on mobile, so what we need to do more is to move around. So let's get out of our comfort zone and start doing cardio in motion together. So let's start. But yes, don't forget to drink lot of water and keep yourself hydrated. And you will find all our exercises YouTube channel link at the end of videos. Thank you.
Stretch your hands, stretch your legs, stretch your feet, stomach full inner stretch, full exhale. Hold 10 seconds, then slowly relax. Stretch your arms little outer, then down. Once again, same repeat. Stretch your hands, stretch your heels, stomach full inner, full exhale. Hold 10 seconds. Slowly stretch your arms outer, then down. Like that same variation 5 times. Stretch your hands. Tight arms. Don't bend your elbow. Lift your heels up. Now heel variation continue. Up and down. Up, down. 2. Like that 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6. Relax. Wait. Relax. Slowly arms outer. Now hold your hands backside. Look up. Little stretch it back. Little back. Yes. Done. Wait a minute. Full exhale. Press your arms. Then slowly come up. Break. Once again, hold your hands backside. Look up. Slowly exhale. Stretch it more. Come back. Then relax. One by one, knee up. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee L में ऊपर आना चाहिए. Feet knee level में होना चाहिए. 4, 5, 6. Continuously exhale. 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Break. Once again, press your toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Break. Now neck variation continue. 1, slowly. 2, 3, 4 or slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Break. Now right and left. 1, 2. Don't turn your shoulder position. 4, 5, 6, 7. Back tight. 8. Now change. Look straight. Wait a minute. Same variation. Turn your neck right side and left side. 1, 2. Don't lift your shoulder. 3, 4, 5. अपने कान शोल्डर से टच करने की कोशिश करनी है. 7, 8, 7. Don't lift your shoulder. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Little break. Neck straight. Back straight. Same variation. Rotation. One time right side, one time left side. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. 1. Slowly reverse. 2. Slowly. 3, 4. Close your mouth. Next break. 5, 6, 7, 8. बैक आउट शोल्डर टाइट चाहिए. Relax. 15-second break. Hold your hands on your shoulder. Then round, turn, rotation, continue. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Break. Now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Same variation. Fold your hands. Turn your waist. One right side, one left side. 1, twisting. 2, easy movement. 3, turn your waist. 4, little back. 5, come middle, left. 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Break. Hold your hands front side. Turn your waist right and left. 1, 2, other side. 3, other side. 4, come middle. 5, come middle. 6, come middle. 7, come middle. 8, relax. 15-second break. Stretch your hands upper side. 1 feet gap maintain, legs apart, feet direction straight. Stretch your arms. Now slowly turn your waist right side, then come middle. Slowly left side, then come middle. Same continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly stretch your arms, then relax. Once again, marching continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Break. Hold your hands backside. Look up. Full back stretch. Relax. Slowly come middle. Break. Stretch your hands. Lift your feet one by one, leg together up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. 15-second break. Now next workout continue. Lift your heels, turn your waist, only right side, only right side. Okay, fold your hands, turn your waist. 1, 2, 3. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax here. Wait a minute. Same again, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your feet. 6, 7, 8. Relax here. Same variation. One time right side, one time left side. Okay? Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Break. 15-second relax. Hold your hands backside. Look up. Stretch it more back. Done. Break. Now girls, normal walk. Okay? 4 step front, 4 step back. One time right one leg front, one time left one leg up. Come front, start. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. Come front. 1, 2, 3, up. 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 1, 2, 3, break. Relax girl. Now girls, next variation, walk then sit like a squats. Okay, start walk, 4 step front, 1 2 3 4, back 1 2 3, squat, come up 1 2 3 4, come back 1 2 3, sit, little fast, come up 1 2 3 4, come back 1 2 3, sit, come front 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, sit, come front 1 2 3 4, come back 1 2 3, sit, come front 1 2 3 4, come back 1 2 3, sit, relax. Now next workout, take side support, हाथ दोनों ग्राउंड चेयर से टच करना है, टाइटली होल्ड टाइटली, या फीट ग्राउंड से टच, नेक स्ट्रेट, शोल्डर स्ट्रेट, ओनली सिंगल लेग, सिंगल थाई, लिफ्ट योर लेग टुवर्ड्स स्टमक. ओके, लिफ्ट योर थाई, स्टार्ट वेरिएशन 1 डाउन 2 3 4 5, easily smoothly 6 7 8, break, फीट फुल ग्राउंड से टच होना चाहिए. सेम वेरिएशन अदर साइड डियर, स्टार्ट 1 2 3, relax your upper body, back tight, 4 5 6 7 8, relax. Same variation girls, one by one right side, one left side. Okay, start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, break girls, relax. Now take again back support, back tight, shoulder tight, slowly legs up with knee level, feet tight. Now pulses continue, 1 2 3 4, lift your legs little high, 5 6 7 8 9, slowly down, relax. Same variation 3 to 4 times. Okay, done. Now stretch your thigh, take back support, neck straight, little chin down, leg straight, feet tight, turn your waist right side and left side. Okay, start variation 1, slowly come up, 2, other side, slowly come up, 3 4 5 6, same variation both the side 15 times, then relax. Again same posture, hold your hand on your neck, stretch it, slowly come down, waist down, little. Now take floor support, come down, now stretch your hand, then pulses continue, 1 2, waist down, 3 4 5, exhale here, 7 8, slowly come up. Same variation again other side, turn your waist, slowly down, then pulses continue, 1 2 3 4, same repetition both the side 20 times, slowly come up, then relax. Now take side support, now like one time front kick, come down, then outer side, 1 2, one front, one outer, 2 3 4, towards stomach, 5 6 7 8, both the side 20 times, front side 20, side variation 20, relax. Now same variation other side also. Now take support with shoulder level, lift your leg towards stomach, then back kick, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like that 20 times, relax. Same variation other side also, relax. Same again, take support shoulder level, lift your knee, middle to outer continue, 1 2, exhale here, 3 4 5, same variation 20 times, come down, same other side, same continue. Again take side support, lift your knee, then knee rotation, knee से O बनाना है, 1 2 3 4 same variation, reverse rotation continue, take side support. Same variation, come middle, outer to inner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relaxed here. Same 20 times straight rotation, 20 times reverse rotation. Okay, done. Now next variation, again take chair, sit on that chair, stretch your hands in shoulder level, slowly hold tightly, fingers tightly. Okay, now straight hand middle to upper variation, middle to upper. Start 1, exhale that time, 2, 3, not neck variation, 4, only arms, 5. Wait a minute, stretch your arms, then pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come middle. 1, come up. 2, come up. Like that 20 times. Relax. Break dear. Same variation next. Same posture. Middle to lower. Okay. Touch the floor, then come up. 1, lift up. 2, exhale that time. 3, touch the floor. 4, don't lift your hip, don't lift your heels. 20 complete, then slowly come up, relax, break here. Same variation 20 times. Okay, now same, upper and lower both together. One time upper side, one time lower side. Take your posture, stretch your hands, full upper, then slowly come down, come up. 2, 3, good, 4, next straight, 5, same variation 20 times, stretch your hands upward, wait a minute, slowly relax, good. Now same variation, hold your hands in, then stretch it outer, slowly, come middle, stretch it outer, come middle, like that 20, 5, 6, same, wait a minute, 20 complete, hold some time, then stretch it back, then pulses. 1, 2, next straight, continuously exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that 20 complete, then slowly come middle. First one repeat. 1, then back, 2, then back, 3, then back, 4, then back, like that 20 complete. Slowly relax.